Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not installing on your PC. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and active. Then, verify your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that might be blocking the installation. Finally, always run the Roblox installer as an administrator to grant it necessary permissions. These initial checks often resolve common installation hurdles quickly and efficiently, getting you one step closer to playing. Next, we'll perform a clean reinstallation. Begin by deleting all Roblox temporary files from your app data folder to clear any corrupted data. Completely uninstall any previous Roblox installations from your system. After that, download the very latest Roblox installer directly from the official website. With a fresh installer and a clean slate, attempt to install Roblox again. This process often fixes issues caused by corrupted files or incomplete past installations, giving you a fresh start. If the problem persists, let's look at system-level solutions. Make sure your operating system is updated to its latest version, as outdated systems can cause compatibility issues. Check for and install any pending updates for your graphics card drivers. Running a system file checker scan can repair corrupted Windows files that might be interfering. Also, adjust your internet security settings to ensure Roblox is not being blocked. These steps address deeper system conflicts that could be preventing a successful installation. For more advanced issues, try installing Roblox under a different user account on your PC. This helps determine if the problem is user-specific. You might also consider performing a clean boot to identify any software conflicts. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue and contact Roblox support directly. Reviewing Roblox's official troubleshooting guides can also provide further assistance. Don't give up. Support is there to help you get back to playing your favorite games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.